Hello everyone! This is a very exciting video. Well, especially for me and hopefully for you guys too, but I have a special unboxing here. And I know I say that all the time. However, I don't think I have ever been this excited to receive a diamond painting ever. Like, ever. I was so cat-sided to get this one. Pun. So, I have an unboxing for you. And again, I am Crashly. What's up? Anyway, this is going to be awesome. I'm going to show you the picture now. And yes, it is from Diamond Art Club. I got the Mad Kitty. Oh! Look at it. Oh my gosh, as soon as I saw this, I was like, this had to be mine. It just had to. Like, I've never purchased a Mandie Manzano painting before. I've only bought a few Diamond Art Club paintings because they're expensive, but you know, the quality is definitely there. So I've always been like, unless there's an image that like have to die for, whatever, you know, I'm not gonna pay $1 bazillion for one. But again, the quality is there. I'm not saying it's not worth the money, but I just don't have the money. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to open this. So it's probably going to be a pretty quick unboxing because I am outrageously eager to start this. And it has glow in the dark drills too. Like, are you kidding me? You've got to be kidding. I have cat puns. I'm gonna get to more, don't you worry. Okay, and this is a pretty big one. Let me just try to... Oh, is that it? Okay, cool. Throw this away. Well, put it behind me, you know. Okay, you all know what comes in the toolkit by now, I'm sure, because there's a bazillion Diamond Art Club unboxings out there in this crazy world. Get your wax, your tray, squishy pen, bags, yeah. So, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, I love the fading blue in the background. Mad Kitty. It is round with GL, which is short for glow. It is 71 by 51 centimeters. Here's some symbols. Looks like it's 36 colors. Ooh, 310. Wait, isn't 310 black? The dreaded 310? Not really sure how black glow in the dark can be a thing, but let's see. So I'm going to quickly open this up while we're in this faraway view so you can see it. Maybe if I can get it out of here. Okay, these are instructions in there. Again, I'm sure you all have seen that. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, don't look yet because we have to roll it the opposite direction. Here, let's try to do it this way. Pretend like you don't see it. Oh, I love that soft canvas. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm so loud. I'm peeking and it's pretty. It's actually quite a possum. Like paw, yeah. I have a really good feeling about this. I know. Crashly's just hysterical, isn't she? Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh wow. Wow. Just look at it. Yes, I have a small desk here, so you're not going to get to see it flat. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, so you guys were not kidding about these Mandie Manzano lines. I am so excited to get that fulfillment feeling from filling in the dark lines and then coming back and doing the inside. Haven't gotten to do that yet. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna switch up the view here really quick and just zoom you in a bit to the canvas so you can see. Hey, welcome back. I know that was weird, right? So I love that I started it at this view. Oh my gosh, look at the little button nose. Okay. Wow. So let me look here quickly. Where's the sticker? Let's see where the glow in the dark is real quick. So the glow in the dark is the percent, which is E310. So I'm gonna bring you in a little bit more. Let's see. Oh, look at that. The famous Mandie Manzano lines are the glow in the dark. Holy moly. And I'm highly considering actually putting the glow in the dark drills under some light and seeing how crazy they really glow. So if I do that, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll show you how glowy they really are. How cool is that going to look? All this outlining here. Hold on, let me bring you back out. All right. Now let me move the light. Look at that. All of this outlining, glow in the dark. Wow. You have some 310 life here on the ends. Oh my gosh, his teeth look so scary. Okay, let's just look at the drills here. Let me flip this over so the camera doesn't have trouble focusing. I'm so excited. Like I'm in the middle of working on my custom right now, but I'm probably going to just put that on pause for this. Sorry if that was loud. Okay, listen. Sorry, that was probably loud too. That was my lamp. Okay, so I usually don't even purchase like round drill diamond paintings. I love squares, which my custom is a square, so I figured maybe I can go back and forth, but to be honest, I will probably do this until it's done because I'm so excited. Okay, let's look here. Oh man, look at all those 310s. This is, oh, I always go the wrong way. Okay, let's start over here. Okay, we have E10. 1, 2. Oh, another one. Hey. And another one. And another one. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags of 310. Whoa. Oh, psych! Look. This one is E310. These are the glow in the dark ones. Black glow in the dark. Interesting. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna test it to see. I have to see this, guys. I'm just gonna charge the drills probably under some light, and I will show you at the end of this video how that came out. So there's only one. Hold on, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 310. 8, 2, 3. Very pretty. And there are no AB drills in this one, it didn't look like, which is okay because they have the glow in the dark, of course. Okay. Yep, I can never go the right direction the first time. 803. 598. Pretty. Lots of blues. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at those. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, and this sold out pretty quickly too. And I know everyone's going through crazy, everything's selling out and whatnot. But I set my alarm for this one. Now I just want to see quickly here. Let me just set these over here. Ugh. I'm curious about these teeth. Hold on. There we are. I'm very curious to see. So it's like the X, the dot, and the 2. Where'd the sticker go? X dot and 2. The boot and scoot and boogie. That was unnecessary. X is 13 and 2 is 12. I want to see what these teeth are supposed to be like. 13 and 2, bye-bye. Oh, of course. So 642 and 640. Here's 640. So the teeth are some of this. And then what was the other one? 642? No, 640. Yeah, 642. Where's 642? It is not in numerical order, I guess. No. There's 640. Yeah, so the teeth are going to be like a tan. Oh, gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm probably going to kit this up like right now. I'm not even kidding. I have a bazillion containers and I'm being for real right now. I'm just, oh, I'm so excited. So perhaps I'll start this tomorrow. Anyway, I hope you guys are excited as I am. And yeah, I'm going to probably post some close-up pictures of the drill field here so you can see kind of some of the symbols and everything. And I'm going to go charge these glow-in-the-dark drills, and I'm going to show you what those look like and how much they actually glow. So hang tight here, and again, until next time, see ya! I put the glow-in-the-dark drills under my lamp in my office for 10 minutes and they did not glow whatsoever. Kerwin put them under the light in the bar, which is fluorescent, and just look at it! Oh!